Hi everyone. In this video training, you will get a complete step-by-step guide on how you can use AnyDesk software to access a remote computer. I'll show you the following steps. Step number 1, how to download and launch AnyDesk software. Step number 2, how to connect to computers using AnyDesk software. Step number 3, how to manage a remote computer using AnyDesk. So let's get to be started. And before we start, make sure you watch the video till the end. Firstly, download AnyDesk software. Okay friends, to download it, open up your favorite browser and go to anydesk.com. Here I am on that website anydesk.com, and on the front page you will see a download button. You can download from here for Windows version, but if you need AnyDesk for another operating system, go to downloads, and here you will see available options. You can download for macOS, Android, Linux, and some other operating systems. Okay, I'm going to download it for Windows 10. Just click this button and the file will be downloaded very soon. It has been downloaded already. Okay, now it's time to launch AnyDesk. To launch it, you will have to find out the file location. I'm going to open it, and it has been downloaded here. And to open it, just double click on this file, because AnyDesk is by default a portable software. It doesn't need to be installed to work with it. Okay, I'm going to double click on it and click run. And here you see the interface for AnyDesk. On the left, here you can see this disk, and here you can see an ID. This is an unique ID, and this ID will be used to access my computer. And here you can see remote desk, and enter the ID of the expected remote computer to connect it. Okay, so friends, let's see my remote computer. You can access the remote computer of your siblings or your friends to work with that computer. Okay, on the left, here you can see my computer, this one, and on the right, here you can see the remote computer that I will access now. Okay, and make sure the remote computer also has AnyDesk program. Okay, now open it, run as administrator, and this is the ID of the remote computer. Okay, to access the remote computer, I'll have to type the ID here. Okay, here it is, and I'm going to click connect. It's on process. And on the right side, on the remote computer, here is a new window, and it asks to accept the permission. Okay, as a remote computer, accept it. Now, two computers are connected using AnyDesk. On the left side, my computer, and on the right side, remote computer. Now I can work or manage the remote computer. On the remote computer, here you can see chat option and file transfer option. Okay, I have successfully completed step number 2, just connected two computers. Now from this computer, I can see everything of the remote computer. Here you can see I can work, I can control it. Okay, and here it is. I refresh the remote computer. I go to the remote computer PC, and I can see the hard disk. Let's create a folder on the remote computer. Just right click, click new, test folder. So instantly you can see on the right side, I'm going to open up a browser of the remote computer and search for anything, Brimitech. Okay, now you can do any kind of job That means you have full control over the remote computer. That's fine. And let's see some options. First of all, here you can see the screen, and here you can see send file, here you can see chat, and here you can see some actions, here you can see keyboard, and here you can see display mode and some other options, and you can also record the session. Firstly, start with file transfer. I have already showed you how you can do some job, and let's send a file to the remote computer. Okay, if I click on here you can see this is my device and this is the remote computer. I'm going to send some file. Okay, here goes the directories. I'm going to go to files, and here you can see Word file, and from here you can define where it will be in the remote computer. I want to send this file to the receive file folder of the remote computer. Okay, just I'm going to click on it and right click on it and upload, and instantly it has been sent or transferred to the remote computer. Okay, if I access the remote computer on the right side, here you can see file transfer and new Word file has been received. And if I go to that location, and here you can see I have got the file. Okay, so you can easily transfer a file using AnyDesk. Let's how we can have a chat. Just click on it and select the session, click on it, and here you will see option. I'm going to say hello remote PC. Okay, now go to my remote PC, and here if I click on the chat tab, and here you can see hello remote PC. From that I'm going to send I got it. Okay, so you can chat, and let's move to the action. And before I go to that, I'm going to click on screen. Okay, now again I'm going to minimize it, and here you can see action. You can take a screenshot, you can even restart the remote computer. That's fantastic. Okay, the keyboard is default, and let's see the display setting. From here you can set it full screen. Okay, and hover over here, you can just show original, show shrink. Okay, and here you can see quality. You can get the best quality audio and video of the remote computer, but select balanced. Okay, and show remote computer cursor, follow remote cursor. You can just easily check these options and make your own experiment. And again, I'm going to show you how you can record a session. Just click on this button and everything will be recorded. I'm going to do some job here. Just visit BBC World. Click over here. And now I'm going to stop it. And from here, you can see recorded session screen. I'm just click on it. Yes, you can see I have recorded the session. Okay, friends, get back here and get back here. Well, friends, now I'm going to show you how you can switch sides. That means on the left, I'm the guest user, on the right, the remote PC. If I switch the sides, then the remote PC user can take control of my computer. I'm going to show you. Now click on switch sides, click OK. Okay, now you can see on the right side, the admin user has the control of my computer. of the left side. Here you can see my computer. Okay, so easily you can switch the sides. Again, I'm going to click here on the remote side to switch sides. That's fine. And from here you can go to the settings. Here you will see some basic settings, but don't worry, all are the basic settings. You can leave this default, just leave this default, and that's all. I could show you how you can download and launch AnyDesk. You won't have to install it. I showed you how you just connect to computers and control the remote PC, and how you send or receive files, how you can chat, and some basic tasks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and leave your comment in the comment box below and hit the subscribe button to get the upcoming new videos like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.